Haverim Yekarim. This week's Torah portion is Parashat Shemini. And in this parasha, for the first time, we are instructed of all the laws of keeping kosher. So the question is, why do we need rituals? Are those rituals the ones who maintain us and our identity strong during 3,000 years of history? Are those rituals the ones that make us more spiritual? Are those rituals the ones that identify each other with our fellow Jew? Maybe the answers are yes or no. Maybe those answers are the ones that ritual probably is the basics for the pillars of our collective narrative. Maybe the rituals are the ones who remind us that with those rituals we can get closer to God. Maybe the details are not understandable. Those are kind of mitzvot, of commandments, that some of them are mitzvot sichliot, which means the ones who one can rationalize, and others are mitzvot shmiot, the ones that we hear and we perform. So maybe the laws of kosher and how to maintain a kosher home are shmiot, meaning that we just hear and we perform. But if we go deeper into the understanding of these laws, maybe we can find something that is how we make our lives a little more eco-kosher. How we wash our hands, eat what is allowed to be eaten, and most important, bring the presence of God with the brachot, with the blessings. So next time when you sit around the table and you think of Parashat Shmini and the laws of kashrut, think of the deeper meaning, the meaning of the ritual as part of the pillars and columns of our identity. Think of a meaning of bringing God in every aspect of our lives. And probably there you will find the real meaning of Parashat Shmini. May you have a Shabbat Shalom.